Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we got a Harbor Freight huge 72-hour sale, only 3 days only, Friday April 26th through Sunday April 28th. So you can see we got a 20% off coupon and a free coupon right there and some tool cards at the bottom. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals, Home Depot, Lowe's, Harbor Freights. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, we got a 20% coupon. It says valid through Sunday, April 28, 2019. Print coupon 67, 84, 73, 97. We got a free item here. What is this? The greatest super bright LED SMD work light flashlight ever. There's a great light there with the magnet and a hook. That's the coupon code right there. You feel free to take a picture or write down the code number. Usually the picture works better if you show it to the cashier. You got 18 by 12 hardwood movers dolly for $7.99. You got the 30-inch 5 drawers mechanics tech cart for $189.99. There is a coupon out there for $169.99. I believe it's for these three colors. So blue, black, and red. So if you just want those colors, feel free to shoot me an email and I'll send you the coupon. Yeah, but for now, this is the coupon for all the colors. That's the coupon right there. We got a 2-ton capacity foldable shop crane for $179.99. You got a 9,000 watt max starting, 700 or not 9,000, 900 max starting, 700 running. 2 horsepower, 63 cc, 2 cycle gas generator, $89.99. I would definitely run stable on this. Any type of fuel, any type of lawnmower, weed eater, anything that's a 2 cycle and a smaller engine, not even a 2 cycle, maybe just like a lawnmower, always run stable. It just runs so much cleaner, and plus you can keep all those fuels for the next season. So just keep that in mind. You got the 8-channel surveillance DVR with 4 HD cameras and mobile monitoring capabilities. This is the upgraded version, so you can watch this on the smartphone. And this is $229.99. It's one of the best prices out there. Not the best, not the best system, but it is fairly good for it's affordable basically, and it does the job. You can see it pretty much HD as this is right there, and it does have almost 5 stars. So you guys could imagine it's a good item. You got the Vulcan Beats Lincoln for $879.99. This is cheaper, by the way, than this, or the other way around. This is cheaper than this. But yeah, Vulcan's a good brand for the welders. If you're into welding, consider Vulcan and Titanium. Full motion TV wall mount for $39.99. It's a real solid mount. It does have 5 stars. You got 10 by 20 feet car canopy for $99.99. 20-ton shop press for $144.99. You got a 2 10 50 amp 12-volt battery charger engine starter for $29.99. You got a 301 piece Master Mechanics toolkit for $159.99. 10-inch 15 amp industrial benchtop table saw for $114. If you guys haven't seen the Hercules, the Hercules Harbor Freight, they come out with the better table saw than this one. Apparently it's real good. So you can watch the Bear, the Den of Tools. He did a review on that saw and a comparison with the DeWalt's. Blue design auto darkening welding helmet for $39.99. You got the 8-gallon 125 psi oil lube air compressor for $104.99. You got the this is the 72-hour sale. You got the better superior features. So according to this, for $14 more, definitely consider this. 8-gallon 150 psi oil lube air compressor, $114.99. This is the one I have, guys. I got the 10-inch sliding compound miter saw for $99.99. I gotta say it's worked good, real good so far. I do DIY projects at home. I build a frame for my solar system. I build some furniture. I build a workbench. All kinds of stuff I build already on this saw. Still working good. And I do have the Admiral blade, 40-tooth blade on it. You got the 13-piece half-an-inch drive deep impact sockets for $19.99. These are great. I have them. 7mm heavy-duty powder-free nitro gloves, pack of 50, $7.99. These are great. I do have them. I use them for my oil changes, my brake jobs, all my DIY for the vehicle. HVLP gravity feed spray gun, $9.99. You can't go wrong. For $9 or under $10. Click type torque wrench, $11.99. I do have the half-an-inch. Yeah, I have the half-an-inch. Works real good. 50 feet electric drain cleaner, $199.99. Got a 50 gauge 14 or 50 feet 14 gauge outdoor extreme extension cord for $15.99. Not a bad deal. 60-inch 4-drawer hardwood workbench for $119. 2-piece 1,500 capacity vehicle dollars for $39.99. You got a 10-inch what is this bar pole saw, $144.99. It is 40 volts. Battery operated. 4x36 belt and this 6-inch disc sander for $64.99. Half-an-inch electric impact wrench for $39.99. You got the 3-in-1 vacuum mulcher blower, $39.99. You got the 2x27 feet ratcheting tie down for $9.99. You got the 18 volts 3/8 cordless drill driver kit with keyless chuck, $16.99. This is really basic drill. If you're a DIY, if you do stuff around the house or projects every now and then, would not recommend this. This is mostly for the person that does not do a lot of DIY. That just pretty much you need to drill a hole, a small hole, or just put in a screw. That's it. You know, nothing else. This is real basic drill. It's good for people that don't do a lot of DIYs. 10 by 12 feet aluminum greenhouse with 4 vents, $4.99. You got the 9-piece 1/4, 3/8, and half-an-inch drop wobble set, just under $10. 3/4 or 3/4, 50 feet commercial duty garden hose, $15.99. MIG flux welding cart, $29.99. You got the trucker's chain. It's rated at 4,700 pounds, $29.99. You got the 50-inch clamp and cut edge guide, $14.99. You got the 1,000-pound capacity swing back trailer jack for $17.99. You got the 12-piece cushion grip screwdriver set, $4.99. Then you got the 7 variable speed polisher sander for $32.99. 4 feet by 12 feet canvas drop cloth for $5.99. Alright guys, that's it for today. I got more videos coming up. Probably later today, and I got a tool review. I got an endoscope, like a camera review on Tuesday. So stay tuned on Tuesdays for Tool Review Tuesday. And that's it. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.